your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul, baby. I just had to pop in. I'm not fully together, but I just wanted to say hey to you guys. I almost did my video without talking to y'all. But anyway, we're on day number 4, baby. Day number 4 in our Vlogmas. Okay, are y'all excited? I've been watching everybody's vlogs, trying to catch up, and of course, editing and all that great stuff. But all we are doing here is a Dollar Tree haul, y'all. And it's just a small body care slash laundry care video. So let's see what your girl spent at the Dollar Tree. All right, y'all, so I'm just here chilling, being behind the scenes, just so I can show y'all my Dollar Tree haul, y'all, for today. So I got me 2 laundry baskets. Did y'all know you can get laundry baskets at the Dollar Tree, boo? All right, so of course they're $1.25. Boo. Let's get into the laundry care first. This right here, anybody seen this before? What? This one is the Brazilian Paradise. And when I tell y'all, this bad boy smells so good. This bad boy smells so good. And I ended up getting 2 of these. So I got one right here and one right here from Suavitel. And I can't wait to use it in my laundry, y'all. I love me some Suavitel. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna run it up again at the Dollar Tree if they still have some left and grab a couple of these, because I just gotta stay stocked up on some good stuff for the laundry. Also, I wanted to try out the Cool Cotton. I've been seeing a lot of my girls rave about the Cool Cotton Ultra Downy, so I had to pick up 2 of these. So I got this one and this one right here, and I can't wait to use this too. Also, I got me some laundry detergent, and it's the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh, and it is in the Refreshing Breeze. So got 2 of these. And also for the laundry care, I got the Suavitel. You get 20 counts, and it is the Filled Flowers, and it smells really nice and fresh. And then, y'all, I seen the Clorox. So I got me some Clorox, and I use this in my dishes. And so if y'all want to check out my channel where I do the ASMR washing dishes, y'all can check it out at Sharon Lynette's Place here on YouTube. So I got this for that. And y'all already know you gotta have the Blue Dawn to get your dishes really clean. Not saying anything against any other laundry detergent or any other color of Dawn, but the blue one is the best of the best, in my opinion. So yeah, got that going on. And then I also got a couple things for body care. And I seen this, the Speed Stick Sandalwood Smash, and I think this smells really, really good, y'all. So I had to pick up this one, and I bought a second one. And then I seen some body care bars that I have never seen before, and this is the Zest, and I did open it so I could smell it. It is the Zest Lush Orchid and Almond Oil, and y'all, I had to check it out. I have not tried it yet, but I did smell it, and I think it smells really nice. And anything with almond in it, y'all already know how I feel about almond. So yeah, y'all, I got this. It's a 2-pack for $1.25, and the bars is pretty big, 4.12 ounce each. Then I also got some more soap that I had never seen before, and this is Sure. So we already know Sure for deodorant, but I did not know they have body bars of soap. So I'm like, yes, put me in that. These are big too. It also actually says 20% more bonus size. So it's a 4.12 ounce bar each, and you get 2 of them. And it's unscented, so we can just, you know, use this as our base. Because I like to use bar soap, and then I use my shower gel as well. And then, y'all, I needed me some hairbands. I thought I only got 1 headband, and I needed black, but I actually got 2, which is fine. So I got 2 headbands. Then I like to use these as well, and these are the head wraps. I use these for my hair as well, and you get a 6-pack for $125. And you guys, this is it. This is what I got. So yeah, guys, we have come to the end of this video. You already know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. Please make sure you are subscribed. Hit that notification bell. We're on 25 days of Vlogmas. Okay, boo. Day number 4. Let's go. And make sure you are sharing this video with anyone and everybody. And yeah, guys, I will catch you guys on my next video. I love you guys for watching. Peace.